is up? We are back with another video. Today we are playing some more Offroad Outlaws. So today we're just going to be playing around with the bike, I think. So, here we go. We're going to try the backflip over the rock right now. We're going to go from back here and try. I tried once off camera and I failed doing a double backflip. We're going to try it though. Wrong one. And warning, this is my mom's old phone, so that was just another one of my mom's friends. I don't even have Facebook. Here we go! Let's go! We're gonna just do some more stunts. We're gonna do one more backflip. Front flip. I think tomorrow, I know I said we're not gonna do, if you watch the new video, Offroad Outlaws, new update, I think we might just do another Offroad Outlaw video tomorrow. Maybe we'll do an online one with a whole bunch of other people. But I really think they should add like a friend thing on here. So like you can play with your friends on Offroad Outlaws. One more flip and then we're going to end the video. Because I gotta go and eat. So we're going to do one more. As I said. Oh, there goes my guy. I'm gonna try one more stunt. Okay, here we go, y'all. Yeah! You have to like that video. So now this is what we'll be doing. So we're gonna be doing more Offroad Outlaws videos. So like and subscribe, turn on notifications for future videos like Offroad Outlaws, truck spotting. I might start doing, maybe this might just turn into an Offroad Outlaw channel. I don't know. I might just start a new YouTube channel for this Offroad Outlaws. But until the next video, peace out, and remember, like and subscribe and turn on notifications. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. So hope if anybody's new to the channel, please make my dream come true. So peace out.